In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable spell check on Google Chrome. If you want Chrome to stop underlining words as you type, this is a very quick setting to change, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. This can be helpful if you find the spell check feature distracting, if you work with specialized terms that Chrome keeps marking as incorrect, or if you simply prefer typing without automatic spelling suggestions. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the main menu without any issues. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open Chrome's main menu. When the drop-down menu appears, look through the list of options and click on Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page where you can manage different browser preferences and features. Depending on your screen size or Chrome version, the layout may look slightly different, but the option names should be very similar. After you're in Settings, find the Languages section and click on it. This is where Chrome lets you manage language preferences, input options, and spelling tools. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll a little until the Languages option becomes visible. Once you open Languages, look for the Spell Check setting. Here, Chrome gives you the ability to turn spell checking on or off. To disable it, simply toggle off spell check. After you switch it off, Chrome will stop checking your spelling as you type in text fields, search boxes, forms, and other editable areas in the browser. That's all you need to do. The change should take effect immediately, so in most cases you won't need to restart the browser. If you still notice spell checking in some websites or apps, keep in mind that certain sites may use their own built-in text tools, separate from Chrome's settings. And that's how to disable spell check on Google Chrome. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make your browsing and typing experience feel a lot cleaner if you don't need automatic spelling assistance.